Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lyn, and today I'm healing in some of my BareRoot trees. Fruit trees come like this from the nursery if you order them online, which we did, and they came from an awesome nursery. We get a lot of our trees from Ison and Vineyard's nursery, and they're really good. They always come in great condition. So we just ordered some of these BareRoot trees, but it's not time to plant right now. So what I'm going to do is heal them in. A lot of times if you call at the end of the year and you order trees right when you need them, they don't have them. You've got to get them early. So right now is a great time to do that. Here in the South we have some mild winters, and it's really not that difficult to leave them out here. If you really have some harsh winters where you are, you can do what I'm about to do in a wheelbarrow or something like that. Put it in your basement, and it'll be great to do that. So, and they'll last about 6 weeks if you keep all of this moist and all. So what I'm going to do here, and these are already done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just angle about a 45-degree angle with my shovel, and I'm just going to shovel out some of this loose dirt that's moist. It's already moist, so I'm not going to have to put any, I'm not going to have to water it, but you'll want to keep it moist, and that'll keep it good and from freezing. Now I do it at a 45-degree angle because you don't really have to dig quite as much out of this. And then I'm gonna put all of this back in there, and it's got some compost mix in there. It's really good to do some compost or some wood shavings or something like that, but don't use cedar. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this down in here, make sure all of my roots are covered, and I'm gonna make that just a little bit wider so that I'm not smushing up all of my roots. And then I'm just going to put that right down in here, and it's going to last for 6 weeks. Now if the temperatures get a little bit warm, what will happen is it might start to flower. If your trees start to flower, you're going to really want to plant them right away, because you don't want them to flower while they're not actually planted in the ground. So I'm just going to cover this all up, make sure that it's deep enough and all of my roots are covered. I'll come out here tomorrow to make sure that it's good, and I'll probably put some more compost and some more things around this. And so I'll finish this up in just a few minutes, but it's going to be at about a 45-degree angle, and that way you don't have to go real deep in there. And it's good to have the moist, loose soil around it. So really that's all there is to it. So if you're going to order, you need to order now. Get these out here, come and just get this nice and planted and ready to have some fruit trees. I've got some apple trees, some peach trees, some persimmon trees. It's time to order now. Talk to you soon. Bye.